Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set audio output on PC. To start, we open Settings from the Start menu. There, in System, open the Sound option. After that, in Output, check the box for the device you are going to use for audio on your PC. If you need to, adjust the volume from the slider bar. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.